Good morning, children. Children, I am going to take 9th class social lesson 22, that is traffic education. So open your textbook, page number 271. Okay, are you ready? Yes. Undoubtedly, the innovation of wheel has brought drastic change in transportation of goods as well as people. So undoubtedly, it is a change. There is a drastic change in the transportation because of the invention of the wheel. Due to increase in population, industrialization, urbanization and globalization, there is a heavy increase in vehicular traffic. So, systematic regulation is required to ensure free flow of traffic. Regulation is nothing but to ensure that every road user follow traffic rules. Every road user should follow the traffic rules. It is the responsibility So, regulation is nothing but to ensure that every road user must follow the traffic rules. It is the responsibility of every end user of the road to follow traffic rules. So, what is traffic? Movement of any object from one place to another is traffic. So, movement of the vehicles or movement of the people from one place to another place is called as a traffic. Likewise, movement of any vehicle from one place to another place on the road is road traffic. Okay, movement of the vehicles from one place to another place is called as a road traffic. So, what is traffic education? Traffic education describes the traffic rule and regulation in a clear and simple way. Have you ever seen an accident on the road? If so, how did they get hurt? Think about why had the accidents happened. So, act is accident, victims, age. You can see this table given. Age group 5, cases 24. Age 5 to 10, 58. Age 10 to 15, 40. 15 to 20, 152. 20 to 25, 345. 25 to 30, 380. 30 to 35 age group, 254. 35 to 40, 294. 40 to 45, 226. 45 to 50, 215. 50 to 55, 207. 55 to 60, 138. 60 to 65, 113. 65 to 70, 57. 70 to 75, 49. 75 to 80, 13. 80 to 85, 12. 85 to 90, 0. 90 to 95, 0. 95 to 100, 0. So, in which group do you find more cases? Which group you find more cases? Yes, it is from age group 25 to 30. How many cases are there in the age group of both 25 to 30 and 25 to 30? 20 to 25 and 25 to 30. 20 to 25, 345 cases. 25 to 30, 380 cases. So, need and significance of traffic education. So, as young people become more independent, they exposed to increased risk. Especially teenagers are an important group of road users. Many are unaware that road incidents are the biggest cause for serious accidents and deaths. It is necessary to teach all the road safety measures clearly to avoid accidents. Traffic chores. You have to go to school in the morning. If you are late, you may miss your class. You are stuck in a traffic jam. What will you do? So you are already late and you are stuck in the traffic jam. If you go late, you will miss your class. Then what you will do? Students, employees, laborers, teachers, doctors and all are affected by traffic jams. Footpaths, sidewalks are considered a boon for pedestrians. But sometimes motorists drive on these sidewalks also. So these footpaths are given for the pedestrians who go on by walk. But sometimes this motorists use this footpaths also. Stray animals, fruits and vegetable sellers, private vehicles like cars, auto rickshaws often found parking at no parking zones are the main cause for traffic jams. As there is an increase in population and use of automobiles, there has been a rapid increase in the volume of traffic on roads. To avoid accidents, one must know the prescribed rules and regulations. So, necessity of driving license. No person shall drive a motor vehicle unless he or she holds a driving license. Unless a driving license is not there, he or she are not allowed to drive. Types of driving license. Learner's license. We have different types of driving license. That is, one is learner's license. This is a temporary license valid up to 6 months, issued to learn driving motor vehicles. So this driving license is valid for only 6 months. This will be issued for temporary license. This is a temporary license and is issued to learn driving. Permanent license. One becomes eligible for permanent license after 1 month from the date of issuing the learner's license. After the date of issuing the learner's license, after the 1 month of it, they are eligible for permanent license. Documents required for learner's license. So, residence proof, attached copy of the following: ration card, electricity bill, tax receipts, life insurance policy, voter ID card, passport and Aadhaar card. And next is age proof attest copies. These are the documents which you have to submit for your license. Age proof attest copies of the following: school certificate, passport, birth certificate, Aadhaar card, PAN card of income tax. So some important provisions of law. It is an offence to drive a vehicle without procuring a driving license. It is an offence. Without license, you should not drive. Age limit for motor vehicle above 50 cc is 18 years. If you cross 18 years of age, and if you are 18 years, you are eligible for driving. Age limit transport vehicles is 25 years. Forms to be submitted. Form 1, 1A, and 2 and 3 are to be submitted with prescribed details and passport photographs. After verification of the above documents, a learner's test and color blindness test will be conducted. A learning license is issued to the applicant who qualifies in the prescribed test. And next is permanent license. Permanent license will be issued only after having a valid learner's license. One should apply for the permanent license after 30 days, but within 180 days from the date of issue of the learner's license. One more important thing is that one should be conversant about the traffic rules and the regulations. Driving after a drink, drunken drive. So driving after a drink. 28 years old, Mukesh is a party puff and likes to go out with his friends every weekend. So Mukesh is a party buff boy. He likes to go out with his friends every weekend. But of late he is worried about returning home after the party. So as the very sight of the traffic, police at the street corners sends jitters down his spine. This is not the case of just Mukesh, but many liquor consumers are now thinking twice. So now thinking twice before going to a party. So how breath analyzers works? When a person drinks alcohol, it is absorbed into the blood and is circulated throughout the body. As this blood reaches the lungs, the breath we exhale carries traces of alcohol, which is measured by the gadget. So in a way, the exhaled breath would contain alcohol traces along with the carbon dioxide. These machines can pick up even the slightest trace of alcohol. Police officers cannot delete the record in breath analyzers even if he wants to help the victim. So punishment for drunken driving. Enable the officials to seize the vehicles of the drunken driver to attend court and pay the penalty imposed. Cancellation of driving license. The Regional Transport Authority can disqualify persons from holding driving license or revoke the same if the person is in habitual drunkard, or if the person is an addict to any narcotic drug, or if the person is using a vehicle in the commission of cognizable offence, or if the person is driving dangerously, is using the vehicle without registration, is not giving any information required to the police, or if the person is not shifting the victim of the accident in which his or her vehicle is not involved to the nearest hospital, does not produce the following certificates on demand by police, like the certificate of insurance, certificate of registration, driving license, and the pollution certificates. So this is what about the traffic education, children, and the remaining lesson we will continue in the next session. So now the time for you all to write the question answer. So in this lesson we have covered what is a traffic education and the need and signification of traffic education, necessity of the driving license, types of driving license, rules for pedestrian and motorcycle, and punishment for drink driving. And the division of roads are footpath, road divider, zebra crossing. So I'll tell you some of the meanings for some of the words, children. Like a vehicle registration means compulsory registration of a vehicle with a government authority. Its purpose is to establish clear ownership and to tax motorists or vehicle drivers. Then breath analyzer. A breath analyzer means they will check the people. At night the police will check the people when they are driving. That is called as a breath analyzer. A breath analyzer is a device for estimating blood alcohol content from a breath sample. So mandatory signs. Road signs which are used to set the obligations of all traffic which use a specific area of road. Most mandatory signs are white symbols on a blue background with white border or black symbols on a white background with a red border. So traffic education. Traffic education is an education which describes the traffic rules and regulations in a clear and simple way. Zebra crossing. Zebra crossing is a marked black and white stripe for crossing the road by pedestrians. And a driving license. It is an official document which states that a person may operate a motorized vehicle on a public roadway. And your questions like what document should be a driver carry while driving and what skills are needed to drive safely. While driving a vehicle, a driver should carry original driving license, registration certificate, insurance papers, pollution certificate, as original certificates may get lost and it is very difficult to get them reissued. Therefore, you can present these photocopies to the police officials when they stop us for checking. Then skills needed to drive safely. Maintain sitting balance, sit and drive, adjust mirrors, vision memory, physical strength and flexibility should be perfect. Focus constantly on the task of driving. So what will happen if someone jumps the traffic signal? If someone jumps the traffic signal, it leads to road accidents. Traffic jams causing inconvenience to others. The Regional Transport Authority RTA can disqualify a person from holding driving license. Okay, these two answers you can write, children, in your classwork book. So as soon as you finish writing, take the photo and send it to the school mail ID. So complete your classwork, children. Read the lesson and then write these two question answers in your notebook. After completing this, take the photo and send it to the school mail ID. So children, it is very important for you as I am going on telling you in the every video that read the lesson. Reading is very important. You can remember the dates, years, names of the kings, names of the places and everything you can remember if you read. Okay, that is the reason why I am asking you to read the lesson. If you read the lesson, your pronunciation also increases. Okay, you can read the lessons to remember the dates, days, everything. So that is why I am asking you all to read the lesson. So read it, then write the answers by your own. If you read the lesson, you will be able to write the answers by your own. So that is the reason why I am asking you to read the lesson, write the answers by your own. If not possible, then you can refer the workbook. Okay children, write the question answer and send it to the school mail ID. Till then, take care children. We will meet you in the next class.